Parked up in Glynde before dawn and made the climb up Mount Caburn in darkness. The air was still, but I could feel the weight of the clouds below. By the time I reached the upper slopes, the world had vanished under a sea of mist. Only the peaks of the downs stood clear. It felt like stepping onto another planet. From the summit, the view east was unreal. Firle Beacon rose clean through the cloud, the layers of mist catching the first light. I set up facing that direction. It was exactly the composition I'd pictured for years. When the sun broke the horizon, it lit the fog from within, every hollow of the downs glowing gold. Down below, you could faintly hear the hum of the A27 and the trains cutting through Glynde Valley, all hidden under that blanket of cloud. Up here, though, it was silent. Just the wind, the light, and the shape of the land. As the sun climbed, I turned west. The mist began to drift, and through it the outline of Lewes Castle appeared above the rooftops. I headed along the ridge to catch that before it cleared. Within half an hour, the whole scene was gone, sunlight and cloud giving way to an ordinary morning. But for those few minutes, standing on Mount Caburn, it felt like Sussex had lifted itself into the sky. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Lots more photo walks coming soon.